Okay guys, we got a 2003 Lexus SC430. I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter. This will work with a 02 to 09. So first you're going to pop the hood up, pop these off. There's 3 of them. Okay. Then you're just going to lift right here and pull. So there's 4 of them. This is the 4th one right here. So now you're just going to lift it up. The cabin air filter is right there. Just grab it. Take a look at it. This one's actually not that bad. So you can either blow it out or replace it. I'll link one in the description. But that's how you do it. And then obviously to put it back in, pop this up, put that back down. Just make sure that it's flush and where it should be. Okay, so then set this piece down. Pop those back on. Pop that back on. And then pop that one on as well. And that's how you do it. If these aren't popping on, probably don't have it on correctly. And when you are putting it in, so just make sure that one's in. That one's the hardest one to get in. But hopefully that helped, and thanks for watching.